our countertop pressure fryer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 17¼ inches, a depth of 19¾ inches, and a height of 12½ inches tall. Height with back rail, we have 18½ inches tall. Coming to the center is the main pressure cooker pot. With the release of the top lid, inside will be the basket. An additional gasket will be included, along with more information on this product. Measurements for the basket that goes inside the pressure pot will include 9½ inches in radius by 7¾ inches in height. Basket can go back into the pot, and this rail behind can hold the lid cover. With the twist of the left and right handle, the pot will lock into place. Coming to the side will be the pressure gauge, along with the pressure needle on top of the pot. On the bottom will be 2 dials, one for the timer, along with temperature. Coming to the center will be the oil drain lock, along with the on-off operation and the drain. Coming to the side will be the technical specs for the pressure fryer. And on the back will be the 110/120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.